Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain what Vikings did to the wives of defeated warriors. When Viking armies conquered new lands, the women of the vanquished often faced a grim reality. Their lives were drastically altered, moving from their homes into a new, brutal existence. This treatment stood in stark contrast to the relative freedoms enjoyed by freeborn Viking women who could own property and even initiate divorce. A common fate for these women was becoming a thrall, the Norse term for a slave. Stripped of all rights, they were treated as property, not people. Their daily lives involved arduous tasks like grinding grain, milking animals, and weaving textiles. They could be bought, sold, or gifted, often enduring harsh conditions and having no say in their own future or that of their children. For some women, particularly those of noble birth, their fate involved forced marriage to a Viking chieftain or warrior. These were not unions of affection, but strategic moves to consolidate power, legitimize claims to conquered lands, and assimilate local populations. Such marriages served as a symbolic act of domination, ensuring the conqueror's lineage and control over the defeated territory. Beyond slavery and forced marriage, some women faced even more harrowing fates, including public humiliation or ritual sacrifice to Viking gods. Many were also sold into the extensive Viking slave trade, ending up in markets far from their homelands, from Dublin to Byzantium. For other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. These women's stories are a testament to the brutal realities of Viking conquest.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.